Hi, welcome to Makumbiri Game Park. It's about 80 kilometers from Harare CBD. On your way to Mvuriw, you turn by the concession turn-off at Mazowe. And a few kilometers, you arrive to Makumbiri Game Park. Lots of activities. It's a day's visit. You can come and go back to wherever you're coming from. If you're coming from Harare, in one day. Or you can put off in.
So for us, we slept at Mazowe Lodge. That's a sister lodge of the Makumbiri Resort, which is about 17 kilometers from Makumbiri Resort in Mvuriw town. So early in the morning, we drove back to Makumbiri for our activities, and from there you pay your activities at the main entrance. So the resort is about 6 kilometers from the main entrance. The road is a dust road, but it's quite good. We drove using a Toyota Aqua for this journey.
Now we are at Makumbiri Resort. As you can see here, the views are breathtaking. A lot of activities to do. You can do boat cruising. I'll be boat cruising soon. You can swim. Have a pool. You can do quad biking and a whole lot of other activities like game walk, among others. Stay with me.
So we kicked off the day with a quad bike session. So upon arrival at the resort, you simply need to find the friendly tour guides who assist you throughout your stay. While I enjoyed the quad biking session, I felt like the area was somehow small, somehow restricted. Well, it would be fantastic if the resort could cater for more time. So after the ride, we paused at the sheds beneath them, taking a moment to soak in the picturesque scenery. As you can see here, it was a perfect opportunity for us to fully immerse ourselves into the nature, enjoying the gusts of fresh air that was wafting from the nearby dam. Yeah, the resort is quite charming. There's a play area for kids, and later in the day, the guys would do a jumping castle for the little ones to enjoy themselves. However, later on, we went to the pool where we just had our swimming, and here, as you can see, this is the pool area. And following our swim, we then later on thought, no, it's time for us to go for the boat cruise. However, the swimming area is a bit small. I think the resort can do better by either enlarging the pool area or maybe coming up with another pool area. Right, so following our swim, we boarded the cruise boat. So this activity can be done at any time, and they allow at least 2 people per trip. So cruising the Makumbiri Dam, you get a prime view of the dam wall, the stunning and the diverse scenery. And well, my pro tip is you must take your snacks, a Bluetooth speaker maybe, and get to enjoy yourself. So you have to maximize this moment as much as I did. Certainly I did maximize the moment. And yeah, my visit to Makumbiri was made possible by the funds that I earned through forex trading. You can check the guides in the description of this video on how you too can become a profitable forex trader. I've included the sign up links and a detailed video guide in the description of this video. So we enjoyed ourselves much in the cruise, playing to some music. As you can see here, we were enjoying ourselves best. The boat cruise lasts for between 30 and 45 minutes, but it's a lot of time for you to enjoy yourself in the waters of Makumbiri. As I indicated earlier on, you must take all your phones, your power banks. Make sure that you do enjoy yourself there. So this was us enjoying. The coach was quite friendly. The guy who was cruising us in the boat, he was quite friendly, telling us the about how Makumbiri Dam came about, its depth, where the rivers that feeds the dam. Yeah, we quite enjoyed ourselves at this is the demo. The dam is not that much big. Well, so after we had enjoyed our boat cruise, then we later on went for lunch. We sat at one of the sheds, taking more and more pictures, enjoying ourselves as we were waiting for our lunch to be served. We also went closer by the dam to take more and more photos, more and more videos. And frankly speaking, Makumbiri is something that you must consider if you want to rewind, be away from the hustle and bustle of the city. This is a place that you can visit, and you can enjoy yourself with all the activities that the guys do have on offer. And mind you, most of the parts at the resort, by the time of my visit, there was no network coverage, which is cool if you want to detox 100%. Offline is now the new peace of mind. So later on, we had our lunch. We had rice, we had chicken, some spiced potatoes, the potato wedges, some fresh greens, complemented with our drinks. So you have to remember to advise the waiters on the time that you'd like to have your food served, so that they can prepare your lunch ahead of time. So we served our lunch, took a few photos and video clips. Then we headed to the game park. So we took a few photos and some video clips. We saw some other guys who were enjoying themselves. Then we headed to the game park, where that was our last stop, because we had left the resort on our way out. That's when then we headed to the game park, where we saw some wildlife, some giraffes, some zebras. We saw some ostriches, and that was a treat of the wildlife enthusiasts. Then after that, we hit the road back to Harare, having enjoyed ourselves. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do remember to subscribe, share it with a friend or family. More videos are coming. Goodbye for now. So yeah, bye bye.